Hey, we're at Equip Expo 2023 looking at some of the cool things here at the show, and that brought me over to the ECHO booth. And we're going to be looking at some really neat tools here for the person who's out there wanting to do some professional landscaping work, especially when it comes to taking care of hedges. Jason, tell me a little bit more about this. You've got some really neat battery-powered tools here.
Yeah, so we have a whole new lineup of professional-grade battery-powered commercial hedge clippers. So we have two new double-sided hedge clippers in two different blade lengths. We have two new single-sided hedge clippers in two different blade lengths. We have an articulating shafted hedge clipper, and these are all part of the new 56-volt eFORCE battery platform. And at the end here, for tree pruning purposes, we have a new battery-powered telescopic pole pruner.
So the telescopic one, now what kind of a height range are we getting with that? I mean, goodness, that's way up there.
Yeah, that's fully extended, and believe it or not, we actually have an additional 4-foot extension on top of that. We'll get you up to tree limbs about 25 feet in distance.
Woo! Goodness gracious.
Yep.
And of course, this is in the kind of that pro line.
Correct.
So
Yep.
They can get out there and do these things. Does the battery now, how many tools will this 56-volt battery work on?
So we launched 10 tools 2 years ago. That line's now grown into over 24 tools, if I'm counting properly, between hedge clippers. We got 2 chainsaws. We have actually a fixed pole pruner, a whole lineup of string trimmers, and then also a new battery-powered backpack blower that uses all the same battery platform.
Very nice. If people like to find more information about that whole battery platform or the tools, where can they go to check them out?
Go to echo-usa.com.
That sounds great. We'll put that link in the description below so you guys can go out there and check them out and see if that's going to be something that will work for your situation.